Bata pair. Good morning. So now the time is 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm waiting for Angel to prepare her makeup maybe. So we are going to Rainforest. Let's check it out. I'm so excited. The ticket, we have like lunch, the activity is we are here. The background is sangat best.
Looking for my handphone right now. I can't find it.
But it is so beautiful. See that?
Then we're gonna use this kind of train kind of things, and then we're gonna explore whole.
Yes.
Now you can see we're all in the resort tour right now. So after this, we're going to the waterfall.
We are not like swimming inside just to see.
Yeah.
With Angel,
We're just gonna see the waterfall here.
oh my god, it is so beautiful. Like this one, you guys can see it. I don't know.
Langsung juga section.
First activity, but I'm already sweating a lot.
Yes, a lot. This is a lot.
So cute.
Now we're gonna use the boat.
Yeah, because this is not my first time actually, but yeah, in Miri, we're going to do something fun.
We're gonna take a boat.
Yeah. Come Angel, come Angel, come Angel. Okay. Ada di depan.
So here's Nuru's gonna give the fish some food.
Let's Angel. I'm hungry right now.
Yes, I'm hungry as well, so we're gonna go back and have the lunch for a while. Yeah.
We already arrived here, so we are going to have lunch. There's a lot of food. This is mine, this is also mine, but this is Angel's. Angel's.
I just fish meat, and this is goat meat, and some fish. This is fish, and
Fish roll.
yes, and then I just ABC here, and then the dessert is here, some lime juice as well.
So I'm done with my lunch here. We are done, but
I'm still have my pudding.
nggak rasa? We are now inside the car because we are going to the in front door to take Angel's phone.
It's like long. Okay, right now, actually we want to pick my phone, but they already sent it to the lobby, so we have to go back again. And I let Nurul. Tada! Hello, kami orang Sarawak. Coba sih orang Sarawak.
This is not a small but this is big. Bigger than what I expect. Can you guys? Ta-da! And the best part is here. There's no one. You guys can see Angel there. He's taking a lot of photo because no one here. Okay, that you guys want to know the real thing about Angel. Angel is now changing her clothes there. He just go inside. She just see. She's changing inside this one. This is not a closed one, you guys. You guys can see this. It's open. It's so
We are flying fox.
tak boleh tak pegang ke? Kena pegang.
Pegang sis, nanti kamu pusing dah. Ya?
Okay.
Yap.
Ambil slipper. My slipper is... Oh my god. Kena naik atas? Macam mana nak ambil slipper kat bawah tu?
Nanti ambil.
Boleh ambil ke?
Boleh.
Tak nak lah slipper tu.
Hah?
Tak nak lah ambil.
Nanti saya ambil.
Slipper jatuh kat dalam. Tinggal sebelah. Biarlah jadi sendirilah.
Tu bawah tu.
But apa? Nak lagi. So I'm done with my swimming and boating just now. I'm waiting for Angel. I want to change my coat first so I will catch up to you guys after this. Bye bye. Selamat tinggal. We are done. Lepak boleh? So we are here now, the same place where we lunch. We're going to have our tea time. Penyeram, but that is so nice. It's look like curry puff, but it's so thin.
Actually they cut it. It actually look like this.
Oh.
We call it penyaram. This is Iban culture. I mean it's like kue.
This is I think cucur pisang. It is so super nice.
Yes, we call it cokodok.
Kodok. Oh, okay. I'm going to take another second round. Okay, my second round.
Because we already booked all the whole things here.
Yeah, you can see.
No one's here.
Yeah, only us. See?
And we can eat all the food.
There's no one. And
We can eat all the food.
Angel. So we are going home.
Yes.
It's time to say goodbye
Bye.
to Rainforest and Angel. Goodbye,
Yes.
Angel. Thank you for today. I am really enjoyed.
I hope you're having a lot of fun
Yeah,
here.
a lot of fun. I really enjoy.
She looks so pretty. I look so ugly. Because
No,
I wearing t-shirt and did not wearing my makeup.
no, it's
Okay.
okay. Never mind. You're so pretty.
Okay.
So on my way home, Angel do the same thing for the third time. Okay, today
I lost my phone.
again and again and again. Just my left hand is holding this camera, my right hand holding this phone to call her. Can you find it?
I think I have to take up all the chair and then I will find my phone.
I'm calling you many things. What is Angel trying to do? Angel now is calling the Rainforest to check about her phone, but no answer yet. his phone number with Cinderella. Because why? It because of my shoe.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry terbasa tuh. Nah cepat-cepat.
No, it's
Send dia
okay.
lah. Bye.
So guys, I think I will end up my vlog here. So that's all for today. I am really enjoy. Thank you to Angel. So guys, don't forget to think positive, be positive, and inshallah positive things will happen. So bye. Assalamualaikum.